Let's do an unboxing with Conair. This is Skin by Conair, the Jade Vibe Roller Kit. It comes with 4 changeable vibrating heads and a USB charging cord. I pressed the on button and it has 3 vibrating settings. I'm super excited to try it. Thank you, Conair, for keeping my skin looking right. I first put some moisturizer and some serum, and I'm gonna go with this bigger contouring piece. And you just snap it right on, and I'll start going with the upper motion, going up. I put no pressure, just do its own little thing. This rolling kit helps to promote circulation and depuff skin for a more youthful looking complexion. Doing this 3 to 5 minutes a day will soothe, refresh, revive, and treat your skin to a complete contouring experience just like at spa, but at home. And who does not like having a snatched jawline? Depuff your eyes and a radiant, glowing skin. I switched to the silver ball roller head, and oh my god, this was my favorite one. It will have you feeling like there's a machine working on you, but it's just a vibrating roller. And voila, all done. It made my skin feel rejuvenated and glowing. I love it. Love, love, love. Thank you, Conair.